Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the Bandletic compatible Garmin Fenix 851mm watch band. A 26mm quick-fit magnetic silicone strap designed as a replacement for a wide range of Garmin watches. If you're looking for a premium, functional, and stylish upgrade for your Garmin, this might be exactly what you need. Right off the bat, one of the most impressive aspects of this Bandletic band is its compatibility and adjustability. It's engineered to fit a huge range of Garmin models and accommodates wrist sizes from 6.3 inches to 8.3 inches. This makes it incredibly versatile, whether you have a smaller wrist or something on the larger side. The next feature that stands out is the upgraded magnetic system. Bandletic has moved from N52 magnets to N54 magnets, which are about 50 to 60% stronger. This ensures a secure fit during any activity, whether you're running, cycling, hiking, or just going about your daily life. The magnets maintain their strength over time, so you don't have to worry about them losing grip or slipping off during intense activities. Another point worth noting is the upgraded buckle fixation. The hidden fasteners and metal alloy buckle provide stability and convenience, preventing any slips while still being easy to put on or adjust with a single click. The combination of the magnetic closure and the buckle makes the band quick to install and secure, which is perfect if you're someone who frequently switches bands. From a design perspective, this band merges classic style with modern functionality. It features a two-tone perforated pattern that not only enhances its look but also improves breathability, keeping your wrist cool and comfortable throughout the day. The lightweight silicone construction weighs just 29 grams, making it practically unnoticeable on your wrist while still being durable, waterproof, sweat-resistant, and tear-resistant. Installation is straightforward thanks to Garmin's Quick Fit system. You simply remove your existing band and snap this one into place, and in under 15 seconds, you're ready to go. Whether you're using it for daily wear, sports, or outdoor adventures, the band stays firmly in place, combining both comfort and functionality. So, for anyone looking for a reliable, stylish, and highly adjustable replacement band for their Garmin watch, the Bandletic 26mm magnetic silicone band offers durability, a secure fit, and eye-catching design. It's perfect for cycling, fitness, or everyday use, and it brings a subtle blend of sophistication and practicality to your wrist. That wraps up today's look at the Bandletic Garmin Fenix watch band. If you enjoyed this review, hit that like button, subscribe for more product insights, and let us know in the comments what gadget you'd like us to critique next. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and we'll see you in the next video.